Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete IRS Form 8889 for your health savings account. So this form is used to report your HSA contribution, withdrawals, and to calculate any deduction or tax that you may owe. It is also important because it helps make sure that your HSA is reported correctly on your tax return. So first, open up Form 889 and look at the top section. So in here, you'll enter your name and social security number exactly as shown on your tax return. Now let's start with part 1, which is for contributions and deductions. Begin by checking the box that matches your coverage type, either self-only or family. Then enter the total HSA contribution that you made during the year and make sure not to include employer contributions here. Next, follow the lines to calculate your contribution limit and any additional amount if you are age 55 or older. And continue down the section by subtracting and adding the required lines until you reach your HSA deduction. Next is part 2, which covers distributions. So enter the total amount that you withdrew from your HSA, subtract any amount used for qualified medical expenses, and if everything was used for medical costs, this usually won't be taxable. And finally, go to part 3 if it applies to you. So this section is for additional taxes if you did not maintain eligible coverage. Just follow the lines and complete only if needed. And that is it. Once everything is filled out, attach the form to your tax return. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.